Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is an ASMR video, which means that I will not be talking no more than what you hear right now. Nothing above a whisper. So, I've been seeing a lot on YouTube that these makeup gurus are doing the ASMR videos, and you guys seem to really like them, and they keep you calm. So, although the coronavirus is going on right now, this tutorial is all about how to stay cute during the coronavirus. But what we are going to do to keep us not only staying cute, but calm. So this video is an ASMR video. Ready? Here we go. So, as you guys already know that I already do my eyebrows before coming up here, but I did not shape them. So I'm going to be using the MAC NC45 along with the MAC 268S brush. It's an angle brush like this. And we are just going to shape the eyebrows. If you see me looking over here, it's only because my mirror, you guys know that I keep my mirror over here on this side. I'm going to bring the mirror just a little bit closer to me. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your concealer and you are going to shape your eyebrows just like this. So when I ran across these videos, I thought that you guys were absolutely crazy. And then I started to watch a couple of them, and guess what? They really are comforting. So what you see me doing now is I'm taking the upper part of the concealer and I'm just shaping out my brows with the 268S brush, which looks like this, and the NC45 concealer and Studio Finish. I like the Studio Finish concealer because it's very, very creamy and it lays very, very nice. It hasn't officially been put in play, but during the coronavirus, what I will be doing is not only kicking out more content to you guys, but I also will be working on quite a few projects. I did try to go grocery shopping a little bit the other day, and everything was gone. Like everything. And I was sitting there like, OMG, what are we going to do? I could not find paper towels anywhere. I couldn't find tissue anywhere. And so while everybody was fighting over the tissue in Costco's, I decided to go to the other side of town, honey. And I found some. And guess what? I'm kind of going to keep it a little bit of a secret of where I found the tissue because I don't want the Costco crowd to come because they would never think to go here for tissue anyway. So we're going to kind of keep it a secret. So this is how I normally do my brows. This one's a little long. As you guys know, your brow should start right here. The arch should go through the iris of the eye. That's where your arch, and your brow should end right at the end of here. This is where your brow should end. If it's too long, you just wipe it off like that. So this is how you measure from the nose up. That's where it begins. From the side through the iris of the dark part of your eye, that's where your arch should be, and then it should end. So this eyebrow is perfect. And as you guys know, your eyebrows are sisters. They're not twins. So we're actually just going to blend this all in right now. So what I'm doing now is I'm using 3 different concealers. I'm using a light concealer, a medium concealer, and a dark concealer. And I really like the 3D effect, so what I did was I take the Kevyn Aucoin in shade 11 and I put it all over my eye area because this is why I want to be the brightest. Then I took my medium concealer, which is the Juvia's Place, in shade 12, and I put it in the medium spot, so that's like above my cheekbones, on my chin, down the center of my nose. And then I took my darkest concealer, which is the Fenty in the color 390, and I put that on right up under where the medium color is and on my forehead. And now we're just going to let this dry down because as we know that if you wait for concealer to dry down a little bit, what happens is it becomes full coverage. So we're going to move on to eyes, okay? But first, before we move on to eyes, we're going to set the concealer that's on our lids. And I'm going to be doing that with Ben Nye's Neutral Powder. So I'm just setting it with Pin Eyes Neutral Powder, and I'm just using a fluffy blender brush all over just to set the concealer on my eyes so I can go in and work on my eyes while the concealer is drying down. Okay, so remember, we're trying to stay cute while we're quarantined and during the coronavirus, right? So, as I was stating before, it's that New York will be under quarantine for 2 weeks, but the governor hasn't released it yet. So, this is before we get on lockdown, pretty much. I think I kind of want to use, I really shouldn't do this. I was about to blow on it, but then I realized that I use this on my clients sometimes, and so I don't want to infect it because remember, the coronavirus, corona, there we go. The coronavirus is all about like protecting and staying safe and stuff like that. So that's why I'm not gonna blow it because I don't want to disinfect it. I don't want to affect it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a neutral eye because, like I said, we're gonna be quarantined. So we're just gonna be at home with like our boys and our mothers and stuff like that. Maybe I'll do a more glam look, quarantine look a little bit later. But right now, we're going to keep it really cute and neutral. So I'm just taking this tan color and rubbing it all over my lids. And I'm using the blending brush. This is a BB brush. Do you guys remember when BB's clothing used to be very, very popular? Especially in like, I'm dating myself. I'm telling you guys how old I am. But BB clothing used to be really popular in like the early 2000s. Like that was the spot to BB clothes or whatever. We all used to go get our club clothes from BB. Yeah, so we're just gonna do like a neutral, cute little neutral eye, whatever. Because we are quarantined, so we're stuck at home. And maybe later on this week I will release a glam quarantine look. So you guys could look really, really cute. But this is just like a basic look. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend out my makeup in a little bit. And so when I was Googling these ASMR videos, it said that you guys really, really like it because it keeps you calm. And with everything going on, that's what I want to do. I want to try and like ease your mind and keep you calm so you're not like stressed out and stuff. And that you can do this. So yeah, I use a box of crayons as well. I haven't used this palette in a while, to be quite honest. And then I'm going to blend out my concealer because it should be about dried down now. I'm going to blend out my concealer with this blending beauty blender. And this is also by BB. For the most part, all the brushes that I'm using today are Revlon, BB, and Sugar Face. Oh, and MAC, of course. And so, for all you guys who don't know that I am a freelance makeup artist for TV and film, but I also freelance for MAC Cosmetics. They shut everything down. And so, what I'm going to be doing for you guys this week is just, I'm going to use a little bit of red because I just want to put like a little bit of red, like right in here to give it a little bit of definition. So we'll do a little bit of red right there, right on the ends. We'll put a little bit of red. How you guys liking the look so far? I like it. What do you guys think? Comment below. Listen, if you guys are enjoying this video, I'm going to need for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys know when I post more videos like this, because I want to hear from you guys. I mean, why not be all quarantined together? Right? Okay, so that's pretty blended. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender, which is wet. I did wet this, so it is wet. I'm just going to punch this into my skin, just like that. You guys hear it? blending it all in. Go under, blend, blend, blend in the chiffon. So now we have full coverage concealer, and that's what we want. That is exactly what we want. We want full coverage concealer, because even though we're at home being quarantined, that don't mean that we can't be cute, you know? So the next thing we're going to do is I'll probably put like a brighter, like a hot pink up under my eyes, smoke it out, just to make the look just a little bit more interesting, you know? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this short kabuki brush. And the reason why I use the short kabuki brush is because it makes it look airbrush. It makes my makeup look airbrush, and I like to look airbrush. The color that I'm using is 410 in Juvia's Place, because I let the concealer die down to full coverage. I don't really need that much foundation, and that's what I like. Now, most of the time, you guys see me use, you see me do the concealer on top of the foundation and not under. But today I did it under, but I'm going to go on top with the brighter one because I want my eyes just to pop just a little bit more. So I'm going to do that in a minute, okay? So yeah, so also while we're being quarantined, Times Square, I'm located in New York. Times Square looks like vacant, and Times Square is like never vacant. So it's like, this is a pretty big deal. But you know, I just hope that it's not government control over the people, and that they are really taking this thing seriously, you know? That is not just, I got a hair. That is not just trying to have control over population, but that it is really trying to be safe and people to be safe, you know. Now, what New York schools are doing is for children is that because a lot of kids don't really get food at home, so the schools are opening up a little bit to give the kids lunches, and I think that is a wonderful thing. So we have contoured our nose for the gods, honey. Yeah, and so I think that's a great idea. I don't necessarily know what they are doing for the elderly per se, but I know for the children that they will be able to go and get bag lunch for breakfast and stuff like that, and I think that's pretty cool, you know, because some kids really don't have like food and stuff, and fearing that we're subject to stay indoors, you know, so we don't spread the virus or whatever. I thought that was really nice for New York to do that, you know. How do I look? Can you guys hear that? And so what I'm going to do next is take the brush. I'm going to dip it in this magenta color because I said I wanted to do a little bit more definition under the eye. And I'm just going to smoke out the bottom like that in a magenta and black. I feel like it looks really nice on my skin tone. So we're just going to put that here. But we're actually going to 3D the blush. So we're actually going to use 3 different colors. I'm going to make this my main color, and then I'm going to go in with a darker color and then a lighter color on top of this. So we're going to do a medium dark and a light color for blush, okay? So I'm using the color Toby as my main focus color, and I'm putting it on the apples of my cheek and dragging it up because I want to look younger, darling. We all want to look younger. So that's what I'm doing. And then you take the darker color, which is going to be this Neo color, so I went with that color first. Let's just add a little bit more because I don't think you guys can see it. There we go. Let's just give it me a little you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the Neo color, which is darker, and I'm gonna go right where my contour is. I'm just gonna put that right there, right where my contour is. I'm gonna put that right there, just like that. You see how that changed the look already? So now I look like do do do, and I look more sculpted at the cheeks. Hold on. Let's blend out these contour lines here. There we go. So we took a darker color and we put that by the contour, and then we went with the bright orange color, a brighter orange color, right? And we put that at the apples of our cheeks. Now, for an even lighter color, you see this peach apricot color? That's gonna look really pretty at the high points of the cheek. But I'm gonna use the fan brush because it's gonna be like the highlighter anyway. And so I'm just gonna put that way at the top of the cheeks to give it a 3D effect. So now we were in 3 different color brushes, and because I used the orange and then I went in with this one, now you see. Let me get you in closer. Look at her. Look at that blush. Come on now. Come on now. You gotta make things interesting. You gotta make things interesting. Okay. So now that we're done with that, now I'm gonna take, because it's right there by my highlight, I'm gonna take this highlight right here, and I'm just gonna boop, 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 because I like to look dewy. And I'm gonna literally take my finger and go like this to my nose. Okay, so we're almost at the end, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna line my lips with this brown liner. This is gonna be like a 90s style. So, as you guys know, I already put on my brown liner and my 2 lip glosses, and I applied my lashes, and I used the color Fussy and Hot Chocolate and the Rihanna Fenty Balm lip glosses. And this is just a Kiss lip liner. I wanted to do it kind of 90s style. So now the last thing we're going to actually do is set everything that we did. And I use a combination of powders to help set and forget my makeup. And I find that it really gets the job done, and it keeps it looking very nice and pristine all day. And as you guys know, that I'm not really a big fan of baking because it leaves the under eye area looking kind of like cracky and stuff. So I like to microwave boo. So there you have it, my loves. This is how you stay cute during quarantine time. Very natural, very, I would like to say this is natural glam, but I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a little bit more. Later, lovers. Bye.